What's going on, my friends? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. What we're going to be doing is looking at them on the one-day time frame, getting a nice little move, found some support today. Right now, Bitcoin's up around, we'll call it $44,000, and we're basically running into a critical area for us that we need to watch right now, guys. And what you can see is this downtrend line right here. This is what needs to be broken. We need a daily candle close outside of that on above average volume. If we're able to do that, we're going to start looking up to some higher targets around $48,000. If we're able to get over top of $48,000, we're going to look up to about $52,778. So those are our upside targets if we can have a daily candle close outside of this trend line right here. Now what we need to see supported, in my opinion, is $40,000. We're going to continue to look at that $40,000. But it would be nice, guys, if this essentially was a pull. We had basically a falling wedge type deal here, and we got a nice breakout to the upside on some heavier volume. We're going to have to see if that ends up playing out. But this is a nice candle, and we're going to have to see if we have a daily candle close with this strong of a candle here. Because, guys, that's a really nice move. We basically went from 41,365. If we could close up there today at around 43,990, that's a really good move, and that maybe could give us enough strength to get outside of this trend line right here and make some stronger moves. So what I wanted to point out here as well, on our VMC Cipher B, our VWAP's at 6.14, so we are in the positive here. If we take a look at this, moving to the upside, money flows in the green. We had a green little dot here, just pointing that out right now. Nothing significant like when you get them down in here, but just showing that we potentially could really start changing that trend, and that's what we're looking to do here. It's so important to change the trend because in the short term here, guys, we've had lower highs and lower lows coming in. So we're trying to change that now. You can see we had our low, we pushed up, and we came back down, higher low, lower high, higher low again, or almost like a double bottom there, almost a triple bottom along this line here. And then we're trying to get over top and make a higher high. It's just really watching those patterns, just like over here, how we were pushing up. Here's your higher low, just following those higher lows until they break. Stock right now is at 39 and 34, and we are having an upside cross right here. So I wanted to point that out to you. If we get out to Ethereum, and it's always important to pay attention to Bitcoin first, guys. That's the main thing. And also, if you get some from these videos, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Really helps us out with the algorithm, and it's always appreciated. So for Ethereum right now, we're at $3,018. We're up 5.86%. Take a look at this here. The main area we've wanted to defend here is about $2,769. This green line right here. What we need to get over top of is going to be about $3,063. We've wicked up to that today. Excuse me. And then the next area is going to be $3,171. And then it'd probably, in my opinion, be up to about that $3,346. So those are going to be the upside targets if we can change this trend here, get a nice little breakout. You could even draw a downtrend line there. Same like with Bitcoin, but the main thing here is holding this 27, we'll call it 2770 is going to be the range. The stock right now is at 41 and 35. We are getting an upside move there, had some bullish divergence as price was going down. We were setting some higher lows, so keeping an eye on that. And we actually did have a green buy dot for Ethereum, and this was on the 26th of September, and that price was around $3,058. And one of these green dots has not come in since the previous last time, and that was around July 21st, 2021. You can see that kicked off with this bullish engulfing candle with that dot. We are moving up on the VWAP, and we got a really nice move. So let's see if we can repeat something like that. If we can get that volume moving to the upside with a nice daily candle close, guys. All this could go away today. We really have to watch for the candle close and see how strong. The higher the close up there, the stronger the candle. So pay attention to that, okay? If we take a look at the technicals there, it's about neutral for Ethereum. If you look at that down in here, okay? So this is an area, it could go either way here, guys, and we just have to see if we're going to get the type of volume we need to get up through these higher levels. All right, so that's going to be ETH. If you're here for that, let me know down low. Also, let me know what you guys have been doing. If you've been trading, swing trading, longer term investing, I would love to hear it. So for Litecoin, guys, taking a look at this here, main area we want to hold as support. We've been there several times. It's about $140. That's going to be the main area. Yesterday we had almost like an inverted hammer here, and now we're getting a little follow through today. The inverted hammer was basically on about average volume. So that's a good thing for us there. If we can get some follow through today, we would look up to about $165 would be the next overhead resistance area. That would be significant, and then it'd be up to around that 190. And what you can also see here, kind of same deal with Ethereum. We're getting these buy dots down in this range off that inverted hammer. So that was roughly at about $145. We had a buy signal there with a stock cross to the upside. And we had not had one of those signals since the last time on July 21st with that bullish engulfing candle. So guys, if this can be the reversal point here, this would be really nice to start this trend back to the upside. But we have to change this here. You can see our high, lower high, lower high. We don't want this just to be another lower high and then another move to the downside. So we have to be aware of where we're at right now. And hopefully this can be the bottom there and we can start reversing back to the upside. So for Litecoin, we need to get back up above this 50 moving average, and that's going to be at $176, then this 200 as well. Definitely things that we need to get back up above and start trading up above those and turning them into support as opposed to having them as overhead resistance here. So guys, it's a nice little day here. It looks like the tide may be turning a little bit out of this downtrend, but we still have to be careful and cautious in this area is what I want to put out there. God bless you all. Take care.